This is a blue bandpass filter, typically used for machine vision applications when you're looking for fluorescence from ultraviolet light. So I was sent this filter to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $125. So you get the MidOpt filter. This is the BP470-25.5, and it comes with its own little carrying case here. And so this filter here is designed to pass blue light approximately 400 to 525 nanometers. And it's typically used when you're illuminating something with ultraviolet light to make a dye fluoresce. And so it blocks ultraviolet light, so you don't get any of the ultraviolet light that's reflecting. You only get the blue light that is fluorescing from and excited by the ultraviolet light. And so the idea is that you're using this, in a lot of cases, it's computer vision machine inspection of parts going through an assembly line where you're looking for the fluorescent items that are being illuminated by the ultraviolet light. So if I hold this up to the camera, you can clearly see how it's letting the blue light through and blocking some of the other light. So to demonstrate that this guy is blocking the ultraviolet light, I can hold it in front of my ultraviolet light source, and you can see here that it's no longer causing the fluorescence. So this is with no filter, and you can see that guy fluoresce. If I add the filter here, it highlights the fluorescent part. Alright, so this guy blocks the ultraviolet light, lets the fluorescent bluish light come through, does exactly what it says it does, and it allows you to take photographs or do computer vision of anything that fluoresces without having the ultraviolet light kind of put glare in the image.